Hello and welcome. In this video session, we are going to start a new topic on the process and the memory. So let's discuss the various topics that we are going to study. We are going to study about the process and the program, the process ID, the parent process ID, the memory layout of the process, and example of different memory sections of the process using a C code. Before proceeding to the process and the program, let's see what is the steps involved in compilation. So here we have the program or the source code. We have several source code together written in the project, and the preprocesses the source code, all different source codes, and then the compiler and assembler converts the preprocessed code into an object file. Then the linker takes the object file and the library together to form a executable. So there are different formats of executables supported in Linux system. Some are a.out, coff, or and elf. Now these executables are loaded onto the memory using a loader. So a program written in the high level language finds its way onto the memory. So this is a program, and the instance of the program running in the memory is a process. So a process is an instance of an executing program, whereas a program is a file containing the range of information that describes how to construct the process at runtime. Now let's see an example between the program and the process. In this small C program, we can see this. We have written a very basic program to print the output onto the screen. This is called as a program. Now let's compile this program using the GCC compiler, and in this case we are providing an output file called as process demo. So this process demo is an executable file. Now let's run the program. So when we run the executable of a program, it is called as a process. So a process is the instance of an executing program. So now we are going to run run the program. So now this a process is created in the memory, and once the process is terminated, the process is no longer exist in the memory. So when we started the execution of the program was considered as a process in the memory. So the program ran as an instance and became a process in the memory. Once the execution is completed, it terminated, and the process also no longer existed. I have come up with a video course on Linux system programming. It contains 10.5 hours of video. Also, it contains a lot of hands-on programming using C. Please have a look into the contents of the course. You can pause the video as well and have a look into the contents of the course. If you wish to take the course on Linux system programming, please do contact me. This is my contact details. Thank you.